Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because we've hit 20 subscribers. I can't believe it. Thank you all so much for your support. It may seem like a small number, but to me, it's a huge milestone. Each and every one of you is part of this journey, and I couldn't have done it without you. So let's celebrate together. Here I am in the editing room. Generally, it's my bedroom as well, and I am very excited to tell you that we have reached 20 plus subscribers in recent days. And it's really special moment to me. However, I will not reveal my face until we reached our aim of some specific milestone. Look at these beauties. They are the result of your amazing support. Each subscriber means the world to me. And I hope you know how much I appreciate every single one of you. Before I do more progress, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. Your likes and shares inspire me to keep creating content that you love. It's because of you that I'm motivated to improve and bring even more exciting videos in the future. One day, it was a moment when I was frustrated when I got 0 views and 0 subscribers. But after some video, I got one of you guys, and that made me work further more hard word. 'Cause I believe I still have 1 follower to listen me. After a month, I reached 13 subscribers, but latter day, I lost 1. So frustrating, I left for 1 week. I did not even open the YT Studio. If you don't believe, just go and check it into my channel. Then after 1 week, I thought, I still got 12. What about them? What about their belief? And for those 12, I made another 2 videos, which helped me to reach 20 of you guys. I hope we and our community will grow and grow to inspire youth from around the world. And you guys need to support me by subscribing, giving likes and comments. I will really appreciate your response. So here's to all of you, my amazing subscribers. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey. Cheers to 20 subscribers and many more to come. I wish I could share some words with each one of you. But hey, maybe one day we can have a real-life meetup and celebrate together. That would be fantastic. Once again, thank you so much for your incredible support. I can't wait to see what the future holds for this channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on the exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching.